When it comes to creating landing pages, two names often pop up, ClickFunnels and OptimizePress. But which one is actually the best for your business? In this video, we're comparing ClickFunnels versus OptimizePress to help you decide which software truly deserves your attention. First off, let's talk about ease of use. ClickFunnels offers a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface that even beginners can pick up quickly. You won't need any coding skills, and it's intuitive enough to create professional-looking landing pages in minutes. But here's the catch: while it's great for beginners, it's also a bit rigid when it comes to customization. You'll be relying on templates that may not offer as much flexibility as you'd like. On the other hand, OptimizePress offers a bit more freedom. Its page builder is also drag and drop, but it's designed with more flexibility in mind. You can create highly customized landing pages, integrate with a wider range of tools, and tweak almost every little detail. However, this level of flexibility does come with a bit of a learning curve. It's not as beginner-friendly as ClickFunnels, and some users might find it a little overwhelming at first. Next thing, pricing. ClickFunnels comes with a hefty price tag, starting at $147 per month for the basic plan, which gives you access to most of the features, including funnel building and landing page creation. If you want advanced features like email automation and affiliate management, you'll need to upgrade to the $297 per month plan. So, it's an investment, and that might be a deal breaker for some. OptimizePress, however, offers a more affordable solution with a one-time payment of $99 for the basic plan, which includes unlimited landing page creation, along with other useful features like membership sites and online course creation. But if you want a pro version, which unlocks more advanced options, you'll pay around $199 per year. So, OptimizePress gives you better value for money, but it doesn't have the same set of high-end features as ClickFunnels. The fourth thing to consider is the integration and features. ClickFunnels excels at providing everything you need in one platform. It's not just about landing pages. It's a full funnel builder, email marketing tool, and even affiliate program manager all rolled into one. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution that saves you time and integrates seamlessly, ClickFunnels might be the way to go. But if you already have a separate email marketing service or CRM, you'll find yourself paying for features you don't need. OptimizePress, on the other hand, is more of a specialized tool. It's focused mainly on landing pages and membership sites, and while it does have some integrations, it's not as comprehensive as ClickFunnels. But if all you need is a landing page solution without the frills, it might be the better option. Now, let's talk support and community. ClickFunnels has a huge community of users and a ton of support resources, including 24/7 customer service. It also offers training and tutorials that guide you step by step through the funnel building process. However, many users have reported long wait times for customer service, which can be frustrating when you run into an issue. OptimizePress doesn't have the same level of community or support as ClickFunnels, but it does provide solid documentation and tutorials to help you get started. If you're the DIY type who's comfortable figuring things out on your own, OptimizePress could be a great fit. Lastly, let's talk about the verdict. Both ClickFunnels and OptimizePress are solid options depending on your needs. ClickFunnels is great if you want an all-in-one solution and have the budget to back it up. It's powerful, easy to use, and a great choice for those who want a fully integrated platform. But if you're on a budget or just need a landing page builder without the extra features, OptimizePress might be the better option for you. That said, after trying both of these options myself, I found a better alternative for achieving your goal of building high-converting landing pages without breaking the bank. If you're interested in a better solution, be sure to check out the first link in the description. You'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers.